can you please tell our viewers what exactly you have been doing right from day one once this idea of a farm ordinance came?
Since before this ordinance was tabled at the cabinet, even when it came for interministerial comments in the month of May, I noted down my comments that although I was food processing industries minister and looking at it from that perspective, it may be in benefit for the industry, but yet I wrote over there that states were not on board. All the stakeholders and all the chief ministers need to be consulted and a consensus be built before this ordinance is put. But despite that, when I heard it was going to be, an ordinance was going to come in, I raised before that also that there was a lot of resentment on the ground by the farmers, by the commission agents, by the labours. All sections were very wary about it. I raised it when it was tabled, and repeatedly all these last 2-3 months we have been talking to all the unions and everybody who has raised any issues and bringing it to the notice of the High Command and of the central government. I was under the impression that before it gets passed in the parliament, all the issues of the farmers would be addressed. But I was very saddened to see that it was being passed in its usual form, where thousands of farmers for the last 1 week have been sitting on dharna. Despite the fear of COVID, I'm sure it would have been in lakhs because of COVID. Despite endangering their lives, they've been trying to raise their voice. The people for the benefit of whom this bill has come in, if they are out on the streets against it, I think the least they deserved was a hearing. My conscience did not allow me to be part of a legislation which the farmers perceive as anti.
You didn't bat an eyelid. You just left as soon as your husband announced that. You went straight to the Prime Minister's office with that letter of resignation. Wouldn't it, and today of course it happens to be his birthday, but wouldn't it have been better if you had spoken to him, met him and requested him to have some kind of a relook at this matter before that, because you've just been dealing with the agriculture minister, not by speaking to him?
No, yesterday I called up and left for an appointment. I left a message, the reason why I wanted that appointment. After that, I spoke with Nadda ji, I spoke with Rajnath ji, I spoke with Tomar Saab. Sukhbir ji also met Nadda Saab and conveyed what our limitations were. And I made it very clear to them that we could not oppose the bill and at the same time have the bill passed in its present form with me a part of that. So my conscience would not allow it, and I was very clear that I was going to vote against it if it was going to come in its present form. So after Sukhbir ji announced it, I went and I gave in my resignation and I came back and I voted against it.
Your opponents in particular, the Congress, is very categorical in saying that this is not really too much because you still remain in the NDA, you have not really quit completely, and this is just basically cosmetic changes. How do you respond to that?
I would like to ask them that what have they done about removing this act, which is in Punjab, the exact same things since 2017. It's in their manifesto. It's become an act through Vidhan Sabha in 2017. They've not even removed it even today. And the 2019 manifesto Rahul Gandhi released by says the same thing. Captain Amrinder Singh, as the minister said, was part of the discussions and concurred with all this. What do they have to say about that? They talk about me. Their job is to talk. I couldn't care less. Today, I have stood by the farmers. My party has always stood by them, and no sacrifice is too great. Their voice must be heard. We do not need farmers' unrest at this point of time in the country.
One last point, and will you reconsider that resignation if the Prime Minister appeals to you and Sukhbir? Is there a possibility of a rethink at this last minute and saying that you must continue to remain in the cabinet? Is there a possibility?
No, not that unless the farmers' apprehensions are addressed, there is no question.